Okay, that's what we're trying to do today. Trying to make a new cant dog handle, or PV in the States, they call them PV. This is an old one. My dad's, I cut it off, but sort of what I'm going for. That's the rest of it there. I'm going to attempt to make sort of a homemade lathe with two motors. One like this. Got holes drilled in here. I'm going to fasten that onto here and screw that onto here. And just drill a hole probably in that motor. Take the pulley off. Just use the shaft here. Attempt is the word. Let me get it all set up, and if it works I'll show you. Okay, so turn this sucker around here. Oh, there we go. This is what we got so far. This is going to go on here, and then the other end is going to go on to one of those. We'll see. Okay, so what we got so far. Still got to wire it up, turn it on, see what mayhem it does. Be interesting enough. So hold on. Okay, here's the first test. Let's see how she shakes apart. That's dangerous. Okay, this is the lathe. Well, trying to be lathe. I sort of tried it there. Very dangerous. But see if I can give you a bit of a okay. It is crude, so be aware. Professional tools out. It's just on a little rheostat here. Really out of whack here. Wow. I'm going to say it's this one. Do a little adjustment. That motor does nothing. It's just to hold this up. I don't know if you can see any of this, but Probably should have did some research into wood turning first, eh? How to use a lathe before you try to even use one. Oh well. Where I come from, it's called live and learn. Or live and die. Live by the sword, die by the sword. Yeah, this will work better. Maybe. If I had a better lathe. Try that one. Try that one. We got some more somewhere. That one looks fucked. Right. Let's see what happens. Now, get my little fancy holding tool. Where do I put the chainsaw? Try this. It's called redneck rig. Oh, what do you think of that, boy? Oh, yeah. Professional. Kind of crude, eh? Kind of crude. But, anyways, that's it. That's what looks like it has some kind of potential. Not great, maybe, but put that window in here last weekend. Putting up all this plywood in here. Did that wall. Kind of started to paint it. 10% battery, don't care. Garden over there. No greenhouse. Pool. Anyways, that's it for now.